Hello, friends. It's Shan. If you love stickers, planners, and all things cute and chaotic, you're definitely in the right place. Today, we're doing another plan with me, and I'm super excited because I've been dying to use this Dead Inside mini kit from Scribble Prints Co. It's spooky, sassy, and basically my vibe in sticker form. As always, this is my half-year B6 planner from my shop, the Honey Bee Shop. Y'all, we sold out of these planners during the fall PBC sale, and I didn't even snag one left for myself. I am currently working on a restock, so stay tuned for that. This planner has been loved so hard. Before the planning begins, check out this washi stack. I thought it matched the stickers so perfectly. I have this little handy dandy notebook that I use to write down my this week to-do list and figure out what color highlighter I'm going to use. And then, of course, this is my full year B6 planner that I use for pre-planning and kind of jotting things down before it gets solidified into my actual planner. The pre-plans are just important as the plans themselves, and I always get asked, what pen do I use in my planners? This is the Tombow Mono drawing pen in a 03 nib. This one has been worn, as you can see. I'm needing to replace it soon, but I love when it gets worn down a little bit. It just gets more juicier and better the more and more you use it. If you've watched my previous plan with me's, I use this page as a weekly hub, and nothing has changed. I use the left column as my this week to-do list, and the right column is more for me diving deeper into my task lists. So this is the Shuttle Art brush marker that I use for my highlighting. It is very loved and worn. I love the pastel set so much from them. I think it adds more depth to my planner and makes it a little bit more creative. Now, this is the Tombow Furunusoki. This is a brush pen, and I use it for my headers where I write tasks and the dates. Now that all of the important information is out of the way, I know I've been taking a little bit of a hiatus from YouTube, and that is because sometimes content creation just wears me out. When I became a business owner, I didn't really understand that content creation was a huge pillar, a part of it. And I do a lot of content for Instagram and such, and that's just because it's kind of ingrained in my brain now. But when it comes to YouTube, it's harder for me to film longer form content. But me and my boyfriend, Odie, have been working on how to level up and bring more content to you all. He's like a master at audio and editing. So why not use what you got? Planning and brainstorming behind the curtain for our content here at the Honey Bee Shop has really sparked a lot of creativity and inspiration back into me when it comes to content creation. I'm excited for all of the ideas I have planned too. I want to do more studio vlogs, behind the scenes, tips and tricks, stuff like that. I used to do a lot of that back in the day on YouTube when I first started my business, which of those videos have all been archived because they are kind of low-key secondhand embarrassment. Maybe one day I'll spend the time going through the videos and putting them back up, but today is not that day. Anyways, I hope I didn't talk your ear off about my thought process on when it comes to content creation, but do expect some really fun content coming soon. I posted on my Instagram stories yesterday that I wanted to share my passport junk journal, and I know junk journaling is like the it girl right now, so I'm really excited to hopefully make a lot of content surrounding that and getting you just inspired to create, to plan, to play with stickers. That's really all I want to do. And if that sounds like your jam, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along for future videos. Check out the previous videos as well. And if you liked this plan with me, give it a thumbs up and comment down below, what planner are you thinking about using for 2026? I know I'll be in a B6, but that's as far as I have thought about. Thanks for watching. Bye, friends.